What's your father name? Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Esther Ogala. If you're new here, this is where you should be. Hit the subscribe button and be part of this amazing family. Back to the gym. It's how I'm filming after the actual exercise. Like, okay, Esther, why would you be filming now? You know how exercise makes you feel? It makes you feel energized. You start feeling yourself a bit more. Anyways, that's how I feel right now. I've gone to gym with my gym buddy, who is over there talking to, I don't know who that is. That's making Adnan this calm. But anyways, kudos to that person. Kudos to the person that's making my friend smile this hard.
What are you saying?
One day we said, love go touch us.
Do your phone then.
My phone. My phone.
No, it's not that way. Put your knees on the ground. These are your hands to do. These are your hands to do.
Oh, I should.
Yeah.
Is that how female should be?
That's how you should be on since you're not strong enough.
Okay, I should do like this.
Yeah.
Okay, cross
Move
my
down.
leg.
Yeah. Stretch your leg backward like it's a normal push-up.
Okay, like this.
Still like this. Yeah, panting on. You can do this thing.
Very quick outfit check because I am running late and I forgot to do this. Anyways, guys, I am wearing a pant from I don't know where. Top is from Shein, shoes are from Primark, bag is from I honestly don't know where, and that's it. Hi guys, as usual I am late, so give them body for days. Oh yeah, now come like this, come like
this. You don't blame.
No, they don't started though.
they started.
Try and blink out, talk out. You don't have to be this serious. Life is easy, bro. It's cold outside.
Who is watching them? Why are you looking at your face? But then you fall in love with like this.
You blink though.
Give them. If you know chocolate full body, go for the chocolate. Come on.
It's my time. It's my time. Time to have a chance to get these things rolling like a line. Like you let it sing without saying no stop. Like grind. Brighter than the sun. Get me outshine. It's my time. It's my time. I know you haters don't like my kind. Living fast forward and can't rewind. It's my time. It's my time. It's my time. Check your iPhone.
You see the wind? Can you see the wind?
Nah, I got who's got my name there. This guy don't have. No, wait for us now. We'll wait, why you reach there? Why you reach there? Why you reach there? Somebody in our team was moving so bad. Wow.
really looking for something that's a strap heel, like these heels that have plenty straps.